Let us represent the innovative service company Cavitar, that is the right holder and developer of the revolutionary technology of low-temperature cracking, which allows to increase the quality depth of oil processing up to 90%. According to the data of the International Patent Search, our technology has no analogues in the world, and it is different from existing technological cycles, where the increase of processing depth is based on secondary processes and an extraction of light fractions from the obtained black oil. Proposed technology allows to exclude, partially or completely, secondary processes of oil processing, such as thermal cracking, Catholic and hydrocracking, as well as to improve ecological characteristics of the production radically. We chose the way of influence on primary processes, directly on commercial oil. There is a great combination of wave, hydrodynamic and cavitation processes which happen at the molecular level in this device, called hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov. All these processes help to improve the oil structure at low temperatures. Our technology is aimed at considerable decrease of cost value and power inputs in the process of refined oil production, improvement of its quality characteristics, short terms of implementation and fast payback. As an object for calculations, a relative oil refinery was taken. Its output is 5,500,000 tons per year. It works according to traditional technology. The depth of processing is from 55 to 60%. Let's take a look at two ways of mineral oil processing, traditional one and the way proposed by us, according to innovative technology, hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov. After implementation of hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov, petrol 36%, diesel fuel 54%, black oil 8%, part of the production loss 2%. The process of changing in oil fractional composition is achieved by means of creation of internal pressure up to 4 atmospheres, with the help of intentionally installed pumps, while usage of hydrodynamic flow and wave field of the special configuration and frequency. Safe work of hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov without additional costs for the maintenance is guaranteed. After implementation of this oil preparation technology, the amount of black mineral oil is really decreased. Their part is taken by petrol and diesel fuel. Transfer of the oil refinery to the proposed technology of oil preparation happens step by step. 25% of facilities at every quarter of the year during the project realization. It's necessary for approbation of the technology, and it doesn't demand single-step modernization of the whole production. Implementation of the proposed technology really improves financial characteristics of the plant. At the first year of the project realization, sales revenue is increased at 18% in connection with the step-by-step implementation of the technology. At the second and the following years, the increase is 29% in comparison with the current technology. Revenue can reach more than approximately $4,255,000 per year. Net income after repayment of all excise taxes and taxes is increased at $583,000 per year, starting with the second year of project realization. Implementation of the proposed innovative technology doesn't have any negative influence on the environment. Innovative service company Cavitar possesses all necessary documents which confirm the safety of technology implementation for environment and production. Hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov is protected by the aeration and European Industrial Patent. Hydrodynamic dispersant number 20 by Saletov is not designated for sale. It is given to the client for rent for the whole period of exploitation after the sub-license contract is signed by the parties.